Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Okay, so I have finally finished my top, and this is how it looks like before I sew them together or crochet them together. So what I did is I started with one piece and I measured my front because you know, being a plus size, you need to figure out how wide you want it. So I just measured one of my tops that I like. And then I crocheted from straight, nothing, just straight all the way here, and I put two of these stitches on the front to make the collar, and then the remaining four I divide the shoulder area. So it's gonna be like a, I thought I could make a sleeveless, but I thought I had leftover yarn. As you can see, I have another ball. So I crocheted this little piece. It's not that long at all. And I just measured my bicep area. And then I just crocheted about 3-6 flowers. And this length is enough because I don't want it long sleeves. And when I put it on here, between the shoulder before I sew them together, or crochet them together, what I did is I put 2 flowers on one of the body, 2 flowers on the other, the back of the part that I have crocheted, and the flower in the middle. That's how I'm going to attach it, and the other sleeve as well. And the body back is, I made it smaller, not that wide as the front. So if you look at it, there's a total of 8 flowers. So I'm going to attach the shoulder, and I'm not going to have enough room for the back, so this would be enough because I don't want it that open of the collar. And I'm going to attach then, and I'm going to show you a trick how to attach. Either you can sew them together if you crochet anything like this. It doesn't have to be this stitch at all, this pattern. It can be anything that you desire. Just crochet as wide as you for your body, and then crochet as long as you want. Ta-da! You make a top and you just attach them together, and that's all you do. Yeah. So I will show you how to attach. I finished, if you're wondering how I did this, what I did is I crocheted here and I came here to this end, and what I did is I crocheted 4 flowers, and I went back and forth, and I finished it, and I cut my yarn here, and I just left a little bit of tail, and I did the same thing back and forth. So I left 2 flowers just to open just to give a open collar on your front, your neck area. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to attach this. So I've been crocheting here, so I haven't finished it. I'm going to do the last row. Again, it doesn't have to be this stitch. It can be any pattern that you desire, and you can crochet it. It's so easy and so simple. Like I said, never put yourself back. Just go into it, encourage yourself, and then create something unique. And you can't buy this. This is one of a kind. And I had this yarn in my stash. I bought this yarn when a couple of months ago. So I used the yarn that I had. I had 3 balls of yarn, and I went and bought another one when these were on sale. So 4. I used, again, this is for a plus size. As you can see, it's pretty wide. Okay, so I will come and show you how to attach it. And I'm going to show you how to attach this while crocheting the last row. And then that's all you do. And for this, you can just do, just check one of my how to attach motifs. It's the same thing. I'm gonna do single crochet and then join. That's all I'm gonna do. I don't sew when I'm crocheting. Okay, so I'll be right back. Okay, so before I start, I explained several times, but for this tutorial I have used Caron cakes, cotton cakes, and the color is driftwood. Okay. Now what I'm doing is I finished the front. So on the back I'm crocheting the last row. So it can, like I said, it can be any stitch. It doesn't have to be this particular stitch. And I do have a tutorial on how to crochet this. I will put the link below. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 would be as double crochet. So I'm turning my work, and from the front I'm going to grab the front. So when I'm grabbing it, I'm going to join. So I'm going to, what I do is, here is the double crochet. So I'm going to pick here and then grab my stitch, and then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pull it to join, and then I'm going to continue crocheting because I usually do 5 chain when I do this turnaround. So I'm going to crochet 2 more chain, and then I'm going to make my double crochet. Again, I'm going to poke my crochet hook. So this is how I'm joining, and you won't see anything, and I'm going to continue crocheting. So I'm going to continue crocheting the stitch, which is 1, 2, 3 chain, single crochet, and then make my double crochet. Okay, so I am going to join here because I don't want to join anything over there. It's no point. So I'm just going to continue crocheting my the way I crochet. 4, just crocheting the stitch. Okay, now usually we do 3 chain, but I'm going to do 2, and I'm going to poke my crochet hook here, and then I'm going to slip it like this, and then I'm going to continue crocheting. I'm going to crochet 2 chain again, because of joining you will only see the 2, and I'm just going to continue crochet. So this is how I do my join, and like I said, it doesn't have to be this. I do my motifs like this as well. Then I just continue crocheting, and I will do the joins again, and this is how it will look like. This would be on the shoulder area. So I did my 4, do my single crochet, 1, 2, 3 chain, and I make my double crochet on top of the double crochet, and again I come here and I join because I don't want to have a huge gap between, and I chain 1 and I make my other double crochet. This will be a see-through, so you need to wear something underneath. I usually wear sleeveless tops, so this would be perfect for me to wear this crochet garment that I crocheted. So I can wear this anytime throughout the year. That's what it's good about. Okay, so this is all you do. You just continue crocheting, and this is how it will look like. Okay, I did steam a little bit. I might need to steam this area as well, just to straighten it up. So this is how you crochet. So I will continue crocheting, and I'm going to come and show you how to do this area, because we left it open right here. So I will come and show you, and I will continue crocheting. I'll be right back. Okay, here's another way to join. What you can do is, instead of poking here, what you can do is poke in the middle. There's 3 chain here, so on the second, poke your crochet hook and then slide it like this, then continue crocheting what you're doing, and then it will give you this look. If you don't like this look, it's not much difference, but yeah, here's another way. So I just wanted to share, and I will continue crocheting. I'm doing my last, I did my last join, so I am on the collar. Here is the 2 that I left it. So we're not going to do any joint, of course, to that. And I'm going to be jumping here to continue doing the other shoulder to join. And I will show you how to do that. So I'm going to join right here. This is going to be the last. Just like this. Chain 1. And then make my other double crochet. Okay, as I said, I did not leave any on the back space for the collar area. So I'm going to automatically come here, right here, and then make a join. Just like this. I'll weave the ends later. I left it, maybe I thought I could sew, or I don't know. Maybe I thought I could use up the yarn, or like poke it here, just to join. And continue crochet. Okay, and this would be the collar area.